Hi, my name is Christian. I'm with TradersClub24. We are a trading education company providing also signature trading strategies and the daily live trading room. But today I want to not talk about our very own trading strategies, but about the best 5 trading podcasts or financial podcasts, if you will, as we are still struggling with Corona lockdowns going on, and maybe it's snowing in your area, so you cannot leave your office, you cannot leave your house, and if you skipped all through the series through Netflix or on Amazon Prime or Hulu, wherever you are. So these are my top 5 podcasts I can definitely recommend to you, and I do not have any affiliation with these. So first one, um, from Bloomberg. It's called Odd Lots. And so you have a British guy and a lady from Singapore, I think, and they are offering a weekly podcast talking about financial changes in general. So over here you see the latest topics they were talking about. It's not very trading related, but from now and then, every week or so, they come up with a very interesting podcast which goes more into detail what is going on with the economy. So it's more of a financial slash economy podcast, but definitely worth listening to. These they have great guests on the show, and I mean they should. They are Bloomberg, so definitely a recommendation here from my side. The next one, it's the memo by Howard Marks. So he's the boss of a hedge fund called Oak Tree Capital Management. I'm sure it's one of the biggest in the world. Anyhow, that guy, he's pretty cool. He's a regular guest on CNBC, on Bloomberg, and I love him talk about financial markets again in general, talk about the economy. He's also a writer. He had a couple of good books. If you want to, if you feel like understanding the economy, if you feel like understanding the market cycles, for instance, then he's the one you should go for. So the podcast quite interesting as well. Um, Coming more into the trading related thing, there's a podcast from the UK. It's called Alpha Mind Podcast. So I think he's living in London. Probably haven't double checked, but he's talking about the right mindset when it comes to trading. So he and his colleague, they are inviting, or it's called actually Stephen Goldstein and Mark Rendell. So they speak to a couple of traders, some of which have been reported in a couple of books like Jack Schwager and his latest Unknown Market Visits. So he's going to talk to, let's say, regular traders, but also more prominent traders in his podcast. And he's some sort of a trading coach, which gives you some idea of developing the right mindset. So he's not talking about entries trading setups and exit trading strategies, but about the right mindset. So definitely a good listen. The sound quality, I think it's not as good as the other ones. It looks like he's sitting in the basement somewhere. Never mind, good podcast. The next one is called Chat with Traders. Same story here. The guy is interviewing famous but also regular traders on a frequent basis, and yeah, a couple of these guys. To be honest, I never heard of them, but anyhow, podcast is cool. And the last one, Confessions of a Market Maker. Also, we see here in the playlist that Jason Shapiro, he's one of these so-called unknown market wizards. Jack Schwager itself, who was writing the book, I think came out in December, just a month ago. The book itself, it's all right, readable, yeah, but not extraordinary, but it's okay, it's okay. Right, so you see a good playlist here about guys talking about how to master the markets, no matter if these are future markets, forex markets, commodity markets. Yeah, just to wrap it up, these are my top 5 podcasts. If you feel like listen to it and want to hear some other opinions as well. So that's pretty much it from today. My name is Christian, and if you like maybe our very own trading signature trading strategies, check out our YouTube channel. It's called TradersClub24 English, or Facebook website or Instagram account. Love to see you very soon in our daily live trading room. Until then, all the best and enjoy the podcast. Bye bye.